And it automatically shuts off. There, here's your model. H8AW. It's got a coolant pump. Oh, we don't have power ran to it, but we checked it. It runs.
Saw's got to be running to power.
Oh, here, let's turn the saw on and we'll show it to them. We cycled it. It does run. It is a let me see if I can get in here so you can see this. It's a 3-phase motor. It's got the table, it's got a stop, chip brush, and there's your inside. We just put on a brand new blade. There's blade with it. I believe they're made to cut, they're for aluminum, the blades that are with it. So anyways, thank you for watching. Specs and quote will be with it on my website. Thank you.